this mosque can be a holy? Because in Islam, the robbery, destruction of the temples, synagogue, and churches are allowed and known as a mal ganimat. Even the robbery or kidnapping of the women and their molestation after captive them by the Muslim, the rape is also allowed in Islam. This is not as the mal ganimat. 250. You see, Dr. Zakir Naik always tells us so and so, Quran, chapter number so and so, he is a stupid fool and befooling the Muslims. But the Muslims are not befooling because they are living the Islam in large number. (150) Wherever you are, O Prophet, turn your face toward the sacred mosque, and wherever you beliefs are, face towards it, so that people will have no argument against you except the wrongdoers among them. Do not fear them. Fear me, so that I may continue to perfect my favor upon you, and so you may be rightly guided. Means Allah is only in the Kaaba, and He is very pleasant when you pray towards the Kaaba. 151. Since we have sent you a message from among yourself, reciting to our revelation, preparing you, teaching you the book and wisdom, and teaching you what you have never knew. First of thing, the Quran is not the book of the wisdom, but the Quran is the book of the stupidity, total stupidity. Because there no roof on the sky, and the Quran stated that the sky is the roof. So Quran is a total stupidity. Remember me, 152. I will remember you and thank me. Never be grateful. Remember him. But where is Allah? You must prove. Where is Allah? There is no Allah. Then who remember to this Allah who was created by Muhammad? 153. O believers, seek comfort in patience and namaz. Allah is truly and those who are patient. Allah is a true. If you are the comfort in patience and the namaz, then Allah will give you a boon in the shape of the mal ganimat. Means Allah allows the robbery, killing and the rape with the non-Muslim women and the men also. 154. Never say that those martyred in the cause of Allah are dead. In fact, they are alive, but you do not perceive it. Here is Muhammad is further befooling the Muslims. That which were